Here's a NASCAR steering wheel. So I guess if you had your hand and you were steering it, you could be on TV. It's really noisy in a NASCAR situation. So the radio is in the helmet, so you can talk to the guys about, well, you know, whatever numbers in your face, or whoever's taillights are staring you down. And you got the radio built right into your helmet. Good place to have the radio if you're somebody going around wearing a helmet. I don't know whether our police officers on motorcycles got that. I know some cars got something. You can talk to people in your car. Anyway, there's a parade in St. Louis this past week, and I think it's how we ought to handle whether you're for the war in out there where the heroin comes from or not. How to handle being the home front is not easy. I'm all for being pretty level-headed about our troops training that they not only should obey, but in a lot of instances they just plain flat out have to. And being aware of that on the home front is sensitive. So offering suggestions that they might have it better can be seen as undermining their morale. However, if we're going to patrol things in the Middle East in the future, which I believe we are, doesn't mean we have to be there as an invading force, but we'll be watching it. I don't see why we can't have really, 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 really good equipment. So all the best capacities for our troops, and that includes keeping morale up on the home front. Maybe just start off with all kinds of good opportunities when they're here, and not belabor problems.